Puyat po kasi.
Good morning, Jay! Hindi ako marunong na. Pag ibang bigas. Papa!
Ma, where's my phone?
I don't know to you. Where did you put? Maybe it's here in the bag.
Just leave it on the phone.
Sophie, can you put that one there? Put it up, anak. Go na. Go na. Go na. Siya, go to Papa. No, he will not go. Go na. Ay, nabasa na ah. So